Hey beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best beauty tips and tricks. Today, let's walk through 5 easy steps to achieve perfect eyebrows that will frame your face beautifully and enhance your natural features. Whether you have dark or light skin, these tips are universal and will help you frame your face beautifully. Perfect eyebrows can make a huge difference in your overall look. Step 1. Find your shape. This is the foundation of perfect eyebrows. Start by identifying the natural shape of your brows. This will guide you in creating a shape that complements your face. Use an eyebrow pencil to map out the perfect brow shape. This step is crucial for achieving symmetry. Align the pencil vertically from the side of your nose to the inner corner of your eye. This is where your brow should start. It helps in creating a balanced look. Then, angle the pencil from the side of your nose through the pupil of your eye. This marks your arch. The arch is the highest point of your brow and adds definition. Finally, align the pencil from the side of your nose to the outer corner of your eye, indicating where your brow should end. This ensures your brows are not too long or too short. Step 2. Tweeze with care. This step is all about precision. Now, grab your tweezers and gently pluck any stray hairs outside your mapped shape. Remember, less is more. Over-tweezing can ruin the natural shape. Over-plucking can lead to uneven brows, so take your time and step back to assess your progress often. It's better to pluck a few hairs at a time and check your work. Step 3. Fill them in. This step adds fullness and definition. Choose a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. The right shade will make your brows look natural and well-defined. For dark skin, a deep brown or black pencil works wonders. It blends seamlessly with your natural brow color. For lighter skin, opt for a taupe or light brown shade. This prevents your brows from looking too harsh. Use light feathery strokes to fill in sparse areas, creating a natural look. Avoid heavy lines which can make your brows look drawn on. Blend with a spoolie brush to soften any harsh lines. This step ensures your brows look soft and natural. Step 4. Define and conceal. This step adds a professional touch to your brows. To make your brows pop, use a concealer one shade lighter than your skin tone. This highlights the brow bone and makes your brows stand out. Apply it directly under your brow line and blend well. Blending is key to avoid any harsh lines. This not only defines your brows, but also highlights your brow bone, giving you a lifted look. It adds a clean, polished finish to your brows. Step 5. Set and hold. This final step ensures your brows stay perfect all day. Finally, set your brows in place with a clear or tinted brow gel. This step locks in your hard work. This ensures your hard work stays put all day. Brush the gel upward and outward to tame any unruly hairs and give your brows a polished finish. Brush the gel upward and outward to tame any unruly hairs and give your brows a polished finish. This step is essential for a neat and tidy look. And there you have it. Perfectly groomed eyebrows in just 5 simple steps. 5 simple steps to perfect eyebrows. Remember, the key is to practice and be patient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries to get your desired look. Each time you practice, you'll get better and more confident. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Stay beautiful and keep practicing your brow game.